Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I had a little mail call I wanted to share with you. I got 2 letters, so stickers, which I would normally save till Friday, but I decided to include it in the mail call. And I've got something from Bruce from Fab Creations. So, first of all, thank you to all 3 of you. Very much appreciated. The first sticker, nice. It's from Backpacking with Buckley. It's the same logo on this channel. It's a cool sticker, brother. I like that. I like that a lot. And I'll read your note off camera. So thank you, Tim. We got one here from Dominic Minichetti. I hope I said that right. Another sticker. Nice. That was cool. Fire it up, it's a smoking. Oh yeah, nice. Very cool. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. And then the package. I have absolutely no idea what he sent me because he didn't even hint that he was sending me anything. So, got my letters right here. So that was quite the surprise when I opened my mailbox. Got this yesterday, so I held off for a day. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. We got some. Ooh, we got some Bill Melton Fatwood. Very cool. We have some Eddie Backwood Custom Knives Fatwood. Very cool. Wow, whole bag of goodness. Redneck Renegade Fatwood. Sweet. We got some Fab Creations North California Gray Pine Fatwood. Awesome. This is a whole bag of goodness. Redneck Renegade East Texas Fatwood. I love that he labeled all the bags so I know actually where this is coming from. Redneck Renegade Georgia Fatwood. I don't think I've ever burned Georgia Fatwood before. That's very cool. I see there's a note I will read off camera. Redneck Renegade Washington Douglas Fir Fatwood. Sweet. That looks like all great fatwood. I have a lot more fatwood to use. I will read the note off camera because it might say something that's personal. So, thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that a lot. I do. I do love me some fatwood. You can smell it through the bag. Oh, dude. All right. Well, as always, thanks for watching. You'll see some Fatwood Fridays, some Fatwood Burns coming up. Just whole bunch of goodness. I'm very interested in the Bill Melton Fatwood, the MS Icky. Nice. You know, few people in life would get excited about a bag of wood, but I'm excited. Yeah. So thank the 3 of you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Got an extra sticker now too. Sweet. You got a killer sticker, brother. That's cool. I'm gonna put that in with the other 3, and then I'm gonna stick those on my board.